Hey guys, Tech Made Easy. Check this out, man. The Pro 4 just launched. I'll be honest with you, I wasn't aware. And one of my subscribers told me about this one. So yeah, you can comment on that. But I'm going to do an unboxing. And then I'm going to go over key features on this product. I'm also going to do a comparison. So let's do the unboxing for now. And then I will go over the key features and comparison. I will also be working on a review, okay? So you guys get to see the product in action compared to another camera. I won't tell you which one, but I think you'll be very interested in it since a lot of these new cameras are coming out. So you do get a magnet mount, okay? And by the way, this new magnet mount does not work with older cameras. I believe it only works with Ultra, Pro 3 and Pro 4, right? So you get that. You get your camera, which, really looks like an Ultra, to be honest with you. So you get that. You get your battery, all right, your Arlo official battery. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit more for you guys. You get your charging cable, which, by the way, is the new magnet cable that they started coming out with on Ultra and Pro 3. Very convenient. If you've seen it work, it just kind of connects like that, real easy. So you get that in the box. What else do you get in the box? You get some mounting screws, okay, I guess for your mount, right? So you get some mounting screws, and you get a booklet as well. So you do get a booklet in the box. That's all I see in the box there. Good, good. All right, so guys, stay tuned. I'm going to go over some key features on this camera. Just good look around real quick. If you want, take a peek. You do get your spotlight. You do get your motion sensor. Pretty good size. In comparison to a Pro, just looking at a Pro versus this here. Okay. Just a comparison versus a Pro. You know, the old Pro, you'd have to crack this open. Now these are definitely better sealed cameras. I don't know if you saw the review I did on the Arlo Ultra 2, the unboxing and some details. If you want, click the link up above and you can check out the Arlo Ultra 2 unboxing and details. But yep, so guys, that's what you get for now. Be right back. I'm going to go over key features with you, and then I'm also going to go over a comparison. And that's it. Be right back. All right, guys, so let's give you some detail here on the camera itself, and then coming up, I have more information. So the model obviously is Pro 4. This is $129 for the individual camera. This does not come with a hub, okay? It connects directly to Wi-Fi, so you have to have Wi-Fi. The resolution is up to 2K, okay? It is a 2K camera, max resolution. The image sensor is 4 megapixels. Video modes, you can do 720p, 1080p, or 2K. Now, why would you want to lower your resolution? That might help depending on your bandwidth at your house with your internet, okay? If you're having issues, lower your resolution and see if that works. You have a 12x digital zoom. You have a spotlight, 42 lux. The microphone is a single mic with noise and echo cancellation. The field of view is 160 degrees. This is UV weather resistant. The operating temperature is -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, and that means -4 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. You get two-way audio, full duplex. Charge time is 3.5 hours, assuming that you're charging it through the camera. Your battery life is up to 6 months, and your warranty is 1 year. All right, guys, here's the good stuff. We got the Pro 4 versus the Ultra 2. You know, kind of a really good comparison. Now, the Pro 4, the individual camera is $129, regular price. Again, you don't get a hub. The Ultra 2 is $249 with a hub. Now, obviously, the hub is required on the Ultra 2. They both have smart AI detection, all right? And if you sign up for a plan, you don't have to. Your resolution on the Pro 4 is 2K, which is 2560 by 1440. On the Ultra, much higher at 4K, 3840 by 2160. Your zoom is the same. They're both 12x on the digital side. Spotlight is 42 lux on the Pro 4, and it's not listed on Arlo's website for the Ultra 2. The field of view is 160 degrees. As you can see, the Ultra is 180, so it's a wider field of view. It means it's going to see more on the left and the right sides. The motion sensor, very interesting. On the Pro 4 is a single sensor. It's a 130 degree sensor. On the Ultra 2, it's a dual sensor, 150 degrees. So it's going to be a better motion sensor. But I'll tell you this, you're going to want to see the video that I did on the Arlo Pro 2 versus the Ultra 2. And the Pro 2 actually sensed motion and sound much quicker. So I'll put a link on the upper right-hand corner. Okay, they are both weather resistant, okay, equally. The operating temperatures are the same as well. They both have two-way audio, but on the Ultra, it actually has a dual mic with noise and wind cancellation, whereas on the Pro 4, it's only a single mic with noise and echo cancellation. They both use the new magnet cable, all right, for charging. All right, so that's good. The charge time via the camera, that means that you connect the charger to the camera, is 3.5 hours. They both go down to 2.9 hours if you take the batteries out and put them directly into a charger. Battery life on these guys is up to 6 months, and they both have a 1-year warranty. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. And check out Brooklyn. She's wagging her tail for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll get notified of new videos and you'll join the family. Also, contact us or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.